Oh my god.
Shark, you hungry?
So freaking. Excuse me! No! No!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, animal.
What's that in my eye? I'm going blind.
Ow! You want a treat?
He's inspecting.
Oh.
Poor kitty. Oh my god, who ate the pizza? Whoa!
Can I pet your dog?
The bird took the pizza. Why are you recording me?
Oh my.
Playing through, boys. Oh! Strider! Get out of here! I'm in the bathroom. Hey, out!
Nice.
You're seeing your own reflection.
You got the moves.
Look what I can do! No.
What in the is going on, dude?
Oh, doggy.
No, how do you even get up there?
Oh my god.
How are we gonna get him down? What the is a turtle doing up a telephone pole? How the
I need to hide to eat this.
Yeah. Are you seeing this? I finally I finally got it after all these years.
I finally got my tails after all these years. Silently taking a slice of it. Like, bro. Yeah.
Oh wait. There we go.
Look at that smile. It's cute, isn't it?
If you're gonna be stupid, you better be tough. Stop!
We'll swap.
That was a bit stupid. Fair trade.
I can't get
take
that
a
back now.
biscuit and give me back my money.
Oh.
Saute, saute, walk through, saute, walk through. En arrière. En arrière.
Who are you? Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
Nice. Not so nice in the end. Yes.
Bye-bye.
Get that bird with the pizza was funny.
No, it's gonna.
Like, hey human, play with me. Wait a second, I have to fix the light. No, don't fall. Yeah, more light now. Can see me better. Let's continue watching.
Go!
You're a monster. What did you do, Bert? What
The
did you
plants
do?
have attacked me.
Free.
Oh my god, the greed.
Good morning, sunshine. Okay.
Oh, a hug. So cute.
Good morning hugs.
Yeah, give me a kiss.
It's Jesus Duck. He's standing on the water, dude. It's Jesus Duck. Holy.
Oh my God, se le salió la salchicha.
My dogs are so cute. Look.
One last
We're just
sausage
chilling in
on the
here.
barbecue.
Ah, they're adorable. I'm just gonna shut the door so that way they have some privacy in there.
What?
Hi, Max. Hi. Oh my God. Hi.
Încearcă Ariel Poți, un extra compartiment și într-o nouă cutie din carton. În timp ce alți detergenți ar putea să nu îndepărteze.
Yeah, cats are always playing with the laser.
Charlie.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. No.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me go too. Let me hold one. Yeah, who's in there right there? What the dog doing? Boop.
I think my dog is broken.
The dog is not so smart. Smelling the poop.
Oh, hell no. Get away from my car, bitch. Oh,
Panic.
no, no. Oh, no, no.
What are you doing?
This is an orange. Okay? This is an apple. Show me the orange. Come on, get up here. Come on. Get up here.
That dog is harder than the dog.
Yes, smart dog.
Hey, you don't film me.
Boy, still fast as boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I'm.
The dog is so fast.
You can't fit, sir.
They're too big for that hole.
I know.
Fine. Let's go get him. Go get him.
Yeah, that was not so funny. People is so happy.
You know what? I can do that too. I can do that too.
No, you're still digging. No, Fendi. Like bounce like this. Like you're punching it. Yeah. There you go. Like, but like stand up. Like stand up and
CPR
punch.
lessons.
There you go. Good girl.
Nice. I think that music was from Indiana Jones. That dog is jealous. What the fuck? That cat didn't have a problem to be vacuum cleaned.